So here we are with a protective face shell for the Meta Quest 3, which provides a layer of protection for your headset in the event of an impact. This kit is by Aeolian and ships with lens protectors as well as 4 joystick caps and internal lens cover. Now the unboxing and packaging are simple, so we're going to skip that portion. So I already installed the lens protectors, which are similar in composition to smartphone display protectors, and they blend in nicely while protecting the cameras. The joystick caps press onto the joysticks for an upgrade in grip and aesthetics. Now I chose the white option, but a black option is included as well. And again, there's a protector for the internal lenses if you'd like to keep those covered during storage, but I haven't used it. So currently I have the face shell installed, which blends in nicely with the Quest 3 due to its transparency, and it allows you to see that natural colorway as a result. Removal is quick and easy for cleaning or replacement in the event it is damaged. This faceplate also features small felt pads to prevent scratching of the Meta Quest 3 while installing, and also cutouts to allow air to naturally escape for heat dissipation. And then we have install. Simply guide the shell onto the face of the Meta Quest 3. Now there is no solid click action here, leaving it somewhat questionable. But I have used the Quest 3 during body combat fitness sessions, which is pretty intense, and the shell stayed in place during those sessions. Overall, this kit provides protection and upgraded aesthetics at a value. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
You